warned that more lives could have been saved if the country shut down sooner. And then President Trump retweeted someone else's Fire Fauci tweet.
The game-changing test that could be key to helping get the country opened again. Early Today starts right now. Good morning, I'm Philip Mena.
And I'm Corey Coffin. We begin the week with more than 500,000 confirmed cases of coronavirus in this country. Here's what you need to know at this hour. The coronavirus reaches a deadly new record here in the States. So far, almost 22,000 Americans have died. This country's death toll has more than doubled in the past week and has now surpassed Italy. And new signs suggest the coronavirus was in the Bay Area way before the first confirmed case. According to the CDC and state health officials, it may have been present in December. Meanwhile, a study is launched in the Golden State that could shape the strategy to get the United States working again. Researchers are using a blood test that can detect antibodies against coronavirus, which sees which people had the virus and recovered.
A Baptist church in Kentucky defied self-quarantine rules and held an Easter Mass. During services, state officials took down the license plate numbers of the churchgoers in Hillview and placed quarantine notices on their windshield. Frontline workers in Las Vegas were honored with a special flyover by the Air Force. The Thunderbirds crisscrossed over the Vegas Valley above 16 hospitals. The fighter jets soared in the sky with a tribute that lasted about 30 minutes.
And a group of people who went out for essential drinks racked up a hefty fine. The Santa Cruz Police Department posted photos of the offenders and gave them each a $1,000 fine. Talk about an expensive hangout. They were from nearby Fremont. Police say if you're not from Santa Cruz, do not put the community at risk. And Wine Country comes together with some much-needed reinforcements for first responders. The Santa Barbara wine community donated more than 500 cases of wine to medical workers. Each bottle had a personalized thank you.
Walt Disney World in Orlando will furlough 43,000 workers because of the shutdown. This will go into effect on April 19th. The company will continue paying health insurance and other benefits. About 200 employees will remain on the job. Another festival falling victim to the pandemic, Burning Man, is now going virtual. It was canceled for the first time in the festival's 42-year history, but now organizers are building a virtual Black Rock City online.
We want to turn now to dire warnings from global health officials about just how long coronavirus could threaten our lives. But there is hope as social distancing may be helping to reduce cases in some hotspots. We begin our coverage with NBC's Erin McLaughlin in Los Angeles.
Good morning, Corey. Across the country, there are signs that social distancing is working, but amidst this newfound hope, concern this won't end anytime soon.
A warning from the World Health Organization. COVID-19, the deadly virus, may be here to stay.
We think it's going to be a virus that stalks the human race for quite a long time to come until we can all have a vaccine that will protect us.
Disheartening news, but across the country, a brighter picture. The rate of hospitalizations is down, and the pace of new cases has slowed.
The models do show that we are very close to the peak.
Proof, health officials say, social distancing is working in places such as Louisiana. Once at risk of running out of hospital beds, now, according to the governor, the state's in a better place.
We certainly are waiting for the next wave. It seems as if our numbers are going down.
Some areas still struggle with increasing infection rates. Pennsylvania announced more than 1,000 new cases and more than 13 dead. Among the hardest hit, the nation's nursing homes. In Anderson, Indiana, 24 died after the virus tore through the Bethany Point Health Campus. Days after Vietnam vet Bill Reed left the center, he was killed by COVID-19.
It's hard for me to fathom. He went so quick. That's what's mind-boggling.
And in San Francisco, where the curve has been flat and the death toll low, an outbreak at one of the city's homeless shelters. 70 tested positive so far.
It's so infuriating because this was preventable.
To keep everyone safe, some states going to extremes. In Savannah, Georgia, a drone commanding people stay apart.
To keep a safe distance of 6 feet.
And in Santa Cruz, California, 7 visitors fined $1,000 each. Police tweeting they'd been out for some essential drinks. But there are signs of hope.
It means everything to be with my family.
Physical therapist Trisha Bass works at a hospital that treats COVID-19 patients. She's been staying away to keep her family safe. Her son Beckham has leukemia, so her coworkers had a special mask made.
Happy Easter!
Making this Easter hug possible.
One of Beckham's prayers was that he wanted to hug his mother. And so this gave him that chance.
I'm also really happy that she got a mask so that she could be with us.
Some had hoped this would go away with the summer months, but WHO officials are saying they don't think so. They're expecting small, sporadic outbreaks until they can reach a vaccine. Corey?
Erin, thank you.